In this video, I'll be showing you how to enhance render in Photoshop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do this with any recent Photoshop version, and because this is going to be using some AI tools. So there's a few different ways that you can go ahead and do this. The first one is going over, and we're just going to press no thank you on any pop-ups that come up, but go over to layer on the top left and then go over to new adjustment layer. So we're going to see it right there, and then go over to color and vibrance. So just go ahead and look for that. And that's going to be the very first option. Then what you want to do is go ahead and press OK right here. And on the right, you're going to see a bunch of different things. So you want to use the temperature, tint, and vibrant sliders to fix the coldness common in raw renders. This is because Camera Raw algorithms, and they're going to result in much more natural and old hue and saturation tools. What you could also do is use the generative upscale feature. So go over to the top where it says image, then go over to generative upscale like so. So go ahead and click on this, and then you're going to see Firefly Upscaler, Topaz Gigapixel, and Topaz Bloom. So obviously choose whichever one you want. So let's say we want to do Firefly Upscaler. We just go ahead and click on that, and then we can choose 2x or 4x, and then just go ahead and upscale it, and then it's going to be upscaling right here. And yeah, then once you're obviously done with that, where it says 2730 by 2048, that's the amount of pixels it is now going to be. So it's literally just now doubled. And then all you want to do is when you export it, as you can see, it's now zoomed in because it has upscaled. So when you go to file, then go to export, then export as, you just want to make sure that it's all in line and everything. And you can put the scale on 200% if you want to go even further, but obviously that's just going to change the export amount. That's not going to change the base image. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.